still.
That's a beautiful setup.
Oh, she turned out pretty good. I still got to build like the my catch cans for the radiator and for the valve covers and stuff. Methanol system's done, but we wound up running 2 3/4 inch stainless steel fuel lines front to back, just so it's safe.
Dang. 3/4 inch?
Yes. All the fuel.
Nice.
All the fuel.
No surge tank?
No surge tank. Nope. And I got cable drive. Like I don't have the belt on it right now, but we're using a clutch drive system with a cable, and it's got a 20 GPM pump in the back.
So for the people that don't know, what's the setup on Crusty Nova?
It's a LSR 427 with twin 72mm Zona turbos. Powerglide with the gear benders for highway cruising. That's basically it.
Heck yeah.
You like the gear bender over double overdrive or whatever it is?
So like in this car we've had 4L80, turbo 400, and then we stuck with the Glide. At the time we built it, they didn't make a good enough 4L80 pump. And I mean we had a Rosler 4L80 in this thing, but we blew it up like 8 times.
Nice.
The starting gear ratios in the turbo 400 weren't bad, but with the Glide it's a lot better, especially with the gear benders. And you can actually, technically, you could actually split your first and second gear with the gear benders.
Oh, cool. I didn't know that. I didn't realize you're running 2 throttle bodies.
Twin throttle body. Blake is actually prototyping to build Siamese billet throttle bodies so we can make them match.
So is this one harness just split between 2, or you have 2 individual
2
controls?
drivers.
Oh wow.
2 drivers, and it's got a Dominator on it, Holley Dominator.
Is that set up to do that?
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
So explain
a lot
the
of people.
Siamese throttle. Sorry.
Okay, so Blake, so like what they're doing right now, like these are like Cobalt throttle bodies, I think, or HHR. These are HHR
nice.
2.4 liter throttle bodies.
That's
obviously you can't flip them to make them match.
Oh, I got you.
Blake scanned one of these with his 3D scanner, and they're going to cut one out of their CNC machine. Well, they're going to cut 2, but they're going to make matching throttle bodies. Because you can just take the guts out of these, and put the drivers in anything else. So
That's gonna be sweet.
Got all the low dollar stuff.
oh yeah, those are just ones I had. I need to change them. They're freaking 0 to 500 psi. Yeah.
0 to 500?
Yes.
Oh wow.
I need just 0 to 200.
Ours are 0 to 100.
Yeah. The 100 is just not quite enough on the methanol side.
Not trying to nitpick, looks like you might be leaking a little something.
Oh, she is, for sure. We got valve cover gasket a little bit. I gotta take the headers back off and surface them because they're leaking. We over and cut the heads.
Oh, nice. You like that? I see people do that.
They work, but like these manifolds have been welded on so many times, their surface isn't straight, so they don't seal 100%.
So it's gonna be really good.
So I'm gonna take them off. I got a big belt sander. I'll just lay them on there nice and slow, start cutting it out.
Have you seen our belt sander? Because I'm getting ready to do the same thing.
Are you?
Yeah, it's about 24 inches. It might even not be that wide, but
Yeah.
I've got to face the...
Face your guys's.
Yeah.
No, and then I got to finish the AC lines and a couple other things. She's ready to go.
So did Blake just do like the front end on this car and stuff?
So
Cage?
whenever we first built the car, Blake built the first turbo setup. That was on
okay,
the car.
cool.
We built the cage actually in our shop at the lake on jack stands.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the cert on the cage?
650. I just had to get it redone. Yeah, it's 650.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Nice. Now it's getting out, like I said, it's on methanol with the 85 now. Fuel setup. That's why we got the twin regulators and stuff up there. Air tank stuff, but that's the methanol tank that we got in the back.
What's there?
It's got a boost controller and it has airbags on it for overload,
Oh.
for like pulling the drag wheel trailer and stuff. So
That's pretty sweet.
yeah, honestly, she's turning pretty good so far.
14-volt system?
Switch back to 12. This is a 427. So this is LSR's block. It's like a newer aluminum block, but it's 8-bolt main, 6-bolt head. Yeah, they're masked black label heads. Got some good stuff.
How much you know about 4L60s?
Why?
It runs and sounds awesome.
Does it?
We just got to get it dyno tuned for real, but we
yeah.
built the turbo. I mean, we bought the manifold.
Bought the header.
Yeah.
Everything else you guys made.
But yeah, we made the cold side and the rest of the hot side that was necessary.
Yeah, so that's our
Had
first
to
time
modify
aluminum
it.
welding, and we ended up getting it to work.
Yeah.
Turned out pretty good.
As far as our first time, I'm super happy with it.
Yeah.
Oh heck yeah. Oh yeah, that's not bad at all.
No, we were.
I welded on
There's
some of
guys
this
that
and-
claim to be great and do worse than that.
So, like,
This is like my third time. I didn't do all of this, but I did some
Yeah.
of this, and it's my third time like MIG welding in general.
In
Not
general.
take well.
TIG
TIG
welding.
welding.
Excuse me. Yeah,
I'd say
that's
so,
how
like,
new I am.
your dip, like these little dimples that you get.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You just need to pull the heat out slower.
Slower.
Don't let off the pedal as fast. Pull out slower.
Yeah.
And sometimes if you want to dab just a little bit more in,
Double
that'll help-
dab,
Yes,
yeah.
that'll help prevent that from doing that.
And it kind of gave, I'm going to say, Alex the confidence. He got some heads in for that car, and they were damaged.
Oh
Okay.
yeah.
And he welded
Oh,
them.
welded on them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I called machine shops and they wouldn't fix it, so I fixed it myself.
Yeah, that's surprising.
Yeah, they're like, no, we don't weld on aluminum heads.
Yeah.
And I was just like, okay. So I
I mean, it's
fixed
just
it myself.
aluminum. Don't get me wrong, you have different castings, but they're not like GM's castings are good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He did it. Yeah, they're pretty rusty free as far as castings go. But yeah, Alex repaired it and didn't have to, go anywhere, and the show kept going.
Yeah, took an hour and we threw them on and
So-
let it run.
We had a tuner picked out that we bought a lot of the parts from,
Okay.
specifically the ECU, and they were gonna dyno tune it. And then I called them to, maybe schedule a dyno tune and
Yes.
just look what their schedule was. And they're like, "Oh, sorry, our tuner who used to do that's not gonna tune anymore. He's too busy."
Yeah.
So now we gotta find a
Humble
tuner.
Performance specifically, shout out to them.
And then it took 2 months to ship our new injectors. We just got those in yesterday.
Yeah. Thank
So the one
So
guy.
this has Haltech on it.
Yeah.
this is
Okay.
all tech.